Welcome to day 3 of the Advent Challenge, and today's prompt is hidden behind this little book, and I'm going to be doing some painting on the front of that. And it's day 3, home. What makes your place feel like home to you? Now, having a nice cup of tea, that certainly helps me feel at home. So I'll be starting with a nice herbal tea to get me in the mood for this watercolour painting. I thought I would utilise the little book that's hiding my day 3 prompt. I decided to do a little bit of watercolour on the front of it and just do this sort of doodly stylised house on the front. I'm using some watercolour to start with and then building up with pencil on the top of it. So it's just a playful little house, and I think this helps me to feel at home, being able to have all my supplies, being able to use whatever I like, make my art. I'm currently in my craft room and enjoying time to myself, so that to me also feels like home. Having my family around me and my pets, the comfort of home. I know I'm very lucky to have what I have in my home. I'm very lucky to have the safety and comfort of the place that I live, so I'm very grateful for the home that I have. And I'm going to be doing some journaling inside this little mini book here. When I've finished painting on the front cover, I'll be taking a few moments to jot down a few things that I'm particularly grateful for, the things that make me feel particularly at home, feel safe, secure, creative, all the lovely things that I have around me that make me happy and joyful. And of course the people that I love very much. So I'll be doing some journaling in my little book after I finish painting. I've sped up the painting and colouring process for you so that you can see what I've done today. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing this and that you have joined the challenge too. If you haven't yet, you can sign up below using the link that's in the description. And if you have, please let me know how you're getting on. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.